Argosy motorhomes use the P30 chassis, you can still get a lot of aftermarket parts. So he gave these to me for my birthday as a gift. They were pretty easy to install. It was a little fiddly to get the wiring right. They fit really well in the housing and were very much plug and play. There was a little bit of fiddly wiring and some things that were trial and error to figure out which wires were supposed to go to what, to get rid of the vintage glass ones. I wish that I could have kept those, but I needed more light to drive him at higher speeds. I found that I was sometimes at night overrunning my visibility. You know, on the inside he's a Corvette, so you know. These are considerably brighter than the original ones that were all sort of yellowed and sort of just dim, and for safety, I really needed brighter. High beams are up high, low beams are low, and they have this blacking in the back, which I like the look of. It kind of makes them look mean. Well, I mean, as mean as you can make a big, giant silver burrito. I love this project, and I love that my brother gave me these as a gift, and I really liked how easy it was for Andrew and I to install them. The upgrade, we are more visible, and I don't overrun these lights as readily as I did the dim sort of yellow incandescent bulbs. Stop, tail, and turn lights. I got these on Amazon. They were basically plug and play. I took down the interior skins since I needed to drop a floor in Dreamboat anyway, and we installed these. There used to be this large ABS plastic bulbous outcropping type thing here. I don't know what it was really called, but it was cracked and holding leaves and stuff against the body, and it was just terrible. And when I removed it with the intention of trying to restore it, it basically just came off in pieces. And at that point, I decided I preferred this lower profile, sleeker look anyway. So I'll put a link in the description below of what I used, so that if this is something you wanted to use on your motorhome, it would be easy for you to find. I'll put a link in the description of what I used for this particular modification. It was really, really worth it, and I'm so grateful to my brother for gifting me something so awesome and supporting my project. Please like, subscribe, click that notification bell. It really helps our channel. Tell YouTube that you like Dreamboat's videos. See you next time.